Yoruba Youth Indigenous Movement (YYIM) has accused the People's Democratic Party (PDP) in Ondo State of allegedly propagating a hidden agenda targeted at undermining the operations of the state security network known as Amotekun for political gains. The coordinator of the group, Lawal Adekola, in a statement made available to journalists in Akure, the state capital, alleged that the PDP, through former state governor Olusegun Mimiko, has negotiated with some northerners to discredit Amotekun and ensure its operations are weakened by instigating the people against the security outfit. According to him, we have watched with consternation the deliberate attempt to scuttle the gains recorded by Amotekun so far. Let us put on record that we have it on good authority that the PDP through Bibiko has negotiated off Amotekun for political gains, despite our collective desire to produce the next president of the country in the south. Bibiko has been going round scheming on how to emerge as a vice presidential candidate of the party, thereby indirectly selling us out. More so, the operations of Amotekun have been huge success so far, and it is now considered a public good, irrespective of political party or background. Adekola continued, we have it on good authority that Mibiko has vowed to use the instrumentality of the PDP in the states to discredit Amotekun and ensure that the people lose confidence in the security outfit. This, among others, was one of the conditions given to Mibiko to impress the PDP northern power brokers. Mimiko is desperately looking for their support. We will love to plead with politicians to desist from using whatever serve as public good for the dirty politics. It marks of nothing but irresponsibility to descend so low into selling the good of your people for your personal political gains. We dare say that Mimiko has become the alimi of today's Yoruba nation. We shall henceforth mobilize ourselves to resist him. By this statement, we are sounding a note of warning to all political players to draw the line between political issues and events and the ones that serve as public good. Reacting to the allegation, the State Publicity Secretary of the PDP, Kennedy Werete, said the allegation is unfounded, ridiculous and senseless. The questions we raised about Amotekun in Ondo State were not addressed. The group is just trying to play an ethnic card, which is very unfortunate. We need not to respond to persons whose mouths are controlled by their stomachs. Really? Like me, from the look of things, I'm not going to blame this group because we have seen police, and I said it sometime in one of my videos, that we have seen police in this country, because recently we learned it is the same Amotekun have been arresting all these Fulani S-men, this and this and this and that. We have never heard from the police that they arrested any of these people. That if what we are hearing concerning this Amotekun is what to go by, is a welcome development. But the question now is that if the police could be going against them because they said all manner of things, what will these people not say? What will they not say? So now, even from their own response, telling us that the question they ask Amotekun, the group, that they've not been able to say anything, that Amotekun were not addressed. The group is just trying to play an ethnic card. What question are you asking? Have you been able to ask the questions that why is it that something is not being done to these S-men? Because their own line of duty, this so-called Amotekun, is to make sure they fish out all these bandits and all in the name of S-men coming from different places. Do you know how many people how many times they have intercepted these so-called bandits? How many times? Have you asked the right questions? Have the government, the so-called Buhari, addressed the issue of S-men? Now you want to come and put your whatever on Amotekun. That is what they do. That is what you guys are known for. Whatever that will benefit you is what you always do. So no politician is trusted. Mimiko can never ever undermine anything that will benefit the people of Ondo State. Never. We know Mimiko for positive development of his people. Why not saying this before joining PDP lately? The faceless group group up in arm, and indeed G3 for coming back to PDP fold. This is a campaign of calumny against Mimiko. What does Mimiko want to gain in that? Why now? These people are just out to smear the good image of Mimiko. You can't win. Is it politician that you want to trust? The person that has been going. Why can't they stay in one place? What is they look for? He was in, I don't know whether he was in Labour, he went to Zenith, or he went to PDP, he came back to PDP. They don't have direction. Is it the kind of people that you want to entrust the life of many Nigerians into, or the affairs of Nigerians into? People who cannot stay on principle. If they are good managers, manage your party very well. Manage your party. Tomorrow night we see move again, or you can go to APC again. People who cannot stay, who cannot manage a party until they are moving from one party to another, is as a result of their own stomach infrastructure, because they don't have anything good to suggest to the people or to provide to the people. Mibiko, even as he go back to PDP, which what will? Mimiko is on those states, and those states Mibiko. His record remains unbeatable. He loves his people. He did not sell out when he had the opportunity. Mibiko remains the most dependable politician in the history of Ondo State. No amount of propaganda can change the belief of the people. If that is the case, he will come under divine judgments. Well, please base this allegation with facts or keep quiet. Amotekun is widely accepted throughout the Southwest. Nobody can discredit Amotekun in Southwest. Whoever does that to his peril. Trust politicians to your own detriment. Trust politicians to your own detriment. Like I've always said, even the devil is himself. He has a fans. So not to talk of a losing. My question is that why are these guys moving from point A to point B? If I'm not mistaken, it was in PDP before. If I'm not mistaken, and you begin to find out who are the people in this same party they live from. You know, the changes from like rapper. Who is it not the same people? So if they have what it takes, you can stay there as a good manager. You build the party, irrespective of what will happen. You will correct it. Just like Tinubu is telling us, people are rooting for him. He should be this. He should do that. You know how close he is with Buhari. If we maybe how close he was, but from the look of things, do you know how close he is? Do you know how powerful, the powerful move he made by making sure that he supported Buhari, for Buhari to attain what he has attained today, being the president. So why is it that he cannot give the same advice to the Buhari? And meanwhile, he's even supporting the things that people are complaining about Buhari. So how do you justify that? That is the question I'm always asking. Those people who are always supporting these people.